Hey everyone, today we are going to see about the application configuration management. Now let's go to the web server. You can pick any of the web server here. Uh, I'm randomly picking the web server here. So I just take the field called most recent discovery. So let me go and configure font layout. Let's select the most recent discovery field. Here we have this field called the most recent discovery. Let me take it and bring it under TCP ports and save this. Once we save this, we can able to see the field called the most recent discovery. For this, I just select any dates more than 2 months ago. So I just select it on July 1st and update this one. Now I just go for the distribute and filter it most recent discovery before just provide us last 60 days and run this one. So we have updated this one right before 3 months ago. This date has been updated. So that is showing in here. For this, we can do that. This application has been found, right? This web server has been found. So for like this only, we need to query that. So let's go to the background script and put a script in that run script part. Here we have the background script. So we just write a script for this. Before that, we just check how this played record table has been shown. And also here you can see the web server only. So now I just played record the web server. For my CMDB apps. 24. Yeah, okay, underscore CA underscore web underscore server. So I'm just played recording this table directly. When I put a encode query, copy this variable name, paste it that add code query. So inside that parenthesis, we just want to copy this query, paste it in here. So you can able to see this filter, right? Last discovered 60 days ago. So I just query this using with the variable name. and we can provide while loop inside the while loop. Little name dot next. The records available. It will be showing in here. I just make the print um, printing some values means we need to type of gs dot file. Use- So I just print it for testing. Yes, whichever we can able to take this one, this record, right? For that, I just provide the variable name, part name, and let's run this script. Now you can see this record deleted as Apache Linux NY100. So this is the most recent discovery, which is more before 60 days ago, as we already put as a filter. So the script does not delete any application, but for testing purposes, logs all applications to be deleted if the script were abandoned appropriately. Now we can create and execute a schedule job to delete the aging applications. Just going for the schedule job. Let's create one schedule job for this. For this, I just name this as delete series. Series. So for this, let's copy the same script which we have done written in here. So let's paste this one. And if we want to delete the record, we can provide the name of my function called my CMDB. So that is a variable name dot delete record. So that is the delete record. So if we do this, and once we save this one, it won't be deleted because we didn't execute this one. Totally, the 50 days ago record only one is there. So now I just going to execute this schedule job. So now let's check this one. Now the web server got deleted. So that Linux NY100 got deleted. If I refresh this form level page also, it will get deleted. If I remove this condition, other web servers will be uh, populated. So like this, we can able to write the schedule jobs based upon the conditions. So this is the final topic for the CMDB discovery. So from the next class, we are going to start a new series. I am very excited to start a new series in this YouTube channel. So thank you for watching my video.